Mbere ya kamite ya bunge ugitiri ni kuo minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Ndagitari Fred Matiang'i atemanirie uma wa arangiri aria munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ahetwo. Agicokia ciuria cia kiria kiratumire matacuki ikinya ria gucenjaniria Ruto arangiri agikiro kia GSU na arahewa wathani wa matura. Matiang'i ni augire uyu ni mutaratara ukoragwo ho ngathe-ini cia ugitiri no uma wa uhoro ni ati namba ya arangiri ake ndinacokio thi.
Contrary to what has been going around in public spaces and comments and some irresponsible discussions that the deputy president doesn't have protection, he does have protection.
Akihithuria Ruto ahetwo maabitha 257 aikiro ngurani. Matiang'i nierire kamiti no ya bunge maabitha ya matamburukitio micini yake migunda-ini odumwe na biacara-ini ciake. Haha akioneka kwagira kiene miario yaria makoretwo makiuga Ruto ndari na ugitiri wa kuigana.
When people jump up and say, there's downgrade and so on, in quality and operational terms, you'll have to go into an operation room and listen to the director of operations tell you everything about this before you make that kind of conclusion. I want to state here again categorically, for the record, there has not been any downgrade of the security of the deputy president, period.
Gatagate ka maabitha ya 257 aria Ruto ahetwo 51 matumitwo thiini wa biacara ngurani odumwe na micini gwake. Matiang'i akiruta mukana muhio kuri aria makoretwo makigeria gukungio teti ndeto-ini ino.
You have seen that in this country where you can almost conclude that some people's career is about lying. They will never tell anything truthful. You wake up in the morning and misinterpret things and talk about things that have not happened anywhere. Oh, we are being finished. That's why I said the politics of sympathy addiction. Everything is about sympathy. Sympathize with me. I am dying. I'm being finished. The government is switching off the sun and the moon.
Naona gutwika gutire watho mukinyaniru wa kuonania maabitha aria atongoria gikiro kia munini wa mutongoria wa bururi afatie kuheo guku bururi-ini ni kuri na mutaratara wa kuonania kundu kuria gufatie kugitirwo na njira nene. Kumwe gwa kundu guku ni hamwe na thingira wa iregi kaunti-ini ngurani. Matiang'i agikinyiriria gutire undu wa kuonania mucii kwa Ruto kana wabici-ini ciake ni kumwe gwa kuria gufatie gukorwo na ugitiri muhio.
Some work we need to do in terms of tightening the law. There's some work we need to do in terms of looking at chapter 6 and tightening our responsibilities, because quite clearly there is an overlap or the clash between business and public office.
Ona kuri uguo atongoria mwoho wa tangatanga maugite kamite cia bunge ni irahuthirwo ru gutuithania ndugamano cia kiuteti. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Nduri wa Kamau.